All right, Parker. I'll see you later. Write that, write it in this read as possible. We'll see, I guess. That's crazy.
Was that Mr. Reese's class?
Who? Oh, I had it set up. And then, no lab today. No, I'm taking this. Notebooks, all the materials on the board.
Jump scare.
Shh, we got one up on the board too. Shh. Warm up on the board, agenda, we got the slides, we got a few questions. And then we got the material we need. Shh. Yeah, take the best.
It's recording, stop. You record us. Nope, it's recording the time. It's catching this side of the room since it didn't. Since it didn't. Yeah.
And I didn't know where to
Once, twice, 3 times. Alright, thank you. So, quietly get your notebook, quietly get your materials, and then we're going to do a warm up on the board. I'll give you about 5 minutes to get the warm up out the way. After that, it's good.
It's in the dustpan.
It's in the dustbin. So, shh, I think you worried about the wrong thing, man.
I want to take this over. Yeah.
Excuse me.
I ain't got none of those. Wait, Mr.
Yeah.
Can I go back to the garden? I got it after.
We're quietly doing the warm up. Once you get the warm up done, I'm gonna give y'all about 5 minutes.
Can I go up there?
Yeah, you can't see it?
No.
Bowl bag should be in the front. I'm gonna put the timer on the board back here. Yeah. And then I'm gonna pass out your little foldable that we'll finish on Monday. Because I won't be here tomorrow, we have a stuff.
Is it his way? Right.
I don't know who it is.
Bruh, I don't want to. For real.
It might be this way.
No! There's no party though. All she do is like that. Right. Why is she still here?
Hey, shh, we're quiet. That's those two over here. This one. Madison, you want to pass this off? Madison is passing out your foldable, and we'll do that on Monday.
Do they even get 2? Just one?
Just one. All right. Alright, what's going on, y'all?
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, I'll call one. You can answer the first one.
Okay, I'm gonna call now.
Yeah.
How could you do that? Hey, what do you say? Okay. Yeah, what do you say?
Okay, just go ahead and go around. Okay?
Got that.
That's just what I'm talking in the walkway.
Scroll up.
Everybody got a paper?
No,
Yeah.
yes.
It's girl. She doesn't even do every word.
Hey. Shh. Alright. Yes.
He didn't even say it. She checked out.
Yeah, good, check that.
Tomorrow, you with this tomorrow? Yeah. Oh, man, I won't be here tomorrow, man. I got you, after class, okay? Okay.
On the empty.
After tomorrow. quiet. Thank you. So, who wants to answer number 1 for me? Which layer of the earth has the highest temperature and is made primarily of solid iron and nickel? One minute, go ahead. Raise your hand if you agree with her. Raise your hand if you think it's the inner core. Number 1. She answered number 1, she said B. Raise your hand if you think it's the inner core. Solid iron and nickel. Raise your hand if you think it's the outer core. I know we just talked about it, I know it's kind of fresh. Raise your hand if you think it's the crust. Raise your hand if you think it's the mantle. She was right, it's B. It's B. Good job, Monday.
They're not in the dough.
Okay, I got it. Look it up again. Alright, moving forward. Number 2, who got the answer? Who wants to read number 2? Who has the answer for number 2? Jamal, go ahead, take a stab at it.
What is the primary characteristics of the Earth's outer core?
I know it's not really spaced out well, but what you got, man? What you got for me?
What I picked was C.
C? Raise your hand if you think it is a liquid layer made of iron and nickel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No, it's still kind of shaky. 5, 6, 7. Cool. Raise your hand if you think it's A.
A?
Yeah. Raise your hand if you think it's B. Raise your hand if you think it's B. The answer is C.
Oh, I thought you said C.
No.
Yeah.
So, for those who are a little confused still, remember our outer core is the only layer that's a liquid layer, and it's iron and nickel. That's the difference between that layer and your core, right?
What was that one?
Number 2 is C, liquid layer made of iron and nickel, because they're talking about the outer core. Number 1 was B, inner core. Good job, Jamal. And then last one, which earth layer is the thickest and makes up about 84% of Earth's volume? Let's go, Kate, what is it? B. Raise your hand if you agree with her for B. Raise your hand if you think it's C. That's okay. Raise your hand if you think it's D. Raise your hand if you think it's A. The answer was B. Mantle being the thickest part or the thickest layer of Earth's layer, right?
What'd you say was
B, number 3 was B. You wanna see?
number 2?
I know it's kind of fresh. We're gonna go over it soon. Number 2 was C. So, we are going to take a few notes today. I gave y'all foldable. Essentially, your foldable is going to be a little book that you get to flip through, but I made it too small. I didn't think about how small it would be. Now, if y'all want, I can print it out and make it bigger. Because I feel like if it's bigger, y'all can write more stuff in it, or y'all can color it. But for the most part, I had an example. I don't have it. But if we have enough time, I'll cut it out and I'll show you how it's supposed to look, right?
Okay.
But we're gonna move on, right? We're gonna take a few notes. They're only writing 4 things down, not too much, because y'all did pretty well yesterday. Shh, need y'all focus. Y'all did pretty well yesterday. So, you're good with that. Boom. Slides are up on Google Classroom also. If you want to follow along, but we're not gonna move too fast here, right? So I'm gonna give y'all time to do the foldable too, right? Yes. You're only writing 4 things down. So if I were y'all, I would make some space, and then I would save some room for the foldable also. But we on layers of the earth, right? Boom. So here's our question. How are layers of the earth different from one another? Remember, what you need to know is how to compare. I can compare, contrast the Earth's crust, mantle, core, including temperatures, density, and composition. All right. Once you get this, part fine. All right. And y'all can do it back in your head. All right. Look like the back of your head. So we got 3 main layers: crust, mantle, core. And I'll let y'all know what y'all got right now. All right. If you want the little foldables right here, if you want it, you can start labeling on here, right? But if y'all want a bigger one, I'll print out a bigger one.
Wait, which one?
It's that one, yeah. That one you can make it into a book and then put it in. Alright, so we got 3 layers: crust, mantle, core. And they're gonna break it up for us in a little bit, right? So we're gonna look at it and we're gonna think like the earth is like a cake with layers, right? So the icing is the crust, right? Everybody likes cake, right? Yeah. Raise your hand if you don't like cake. What you like?
Behind you.
What you like?
Like chocolates and stuff.
Chocolates? What you like? Instead of cake.
Take cupcakes though.
Chocolate? Okay. What you like, Elysia?
I like cookie dough cake.
Cookies and instead of cake?
No, cookie dough cake.
Cookie dough cake? Okay. Who? Okay. What else?
I do like cake, but like, I would like, wait, you mean like a type of cake?
No, I'm saying if you don't like cake, what do you like instead of cake?
Ice cream cake.
Ice cream cake.
That's
Okay.
different. Okay, that's.
No,
It's not built like a cake, but it's
Funnel cake? Okay. And one more, so we can stay on task. Elysia, back to
I love ice
you. Ice cream? Okay, so instead of cake, she likes ice cream. Okay. So, let's focus, right? So you can think about the crust being your icing, the mantle being a different cake. So we'll say the mantle is like velvet cake, red velvet cake. The icing in the middle to separate from the outer core, yellow cake. And then another set of icing to separate the inner core being the white cake, right? So here's your foldable. Like I said, I should have made it bigger. I didn't think about it, but I got y'all next time, right? So we're gonna start off with the crust. We're gonna focus in on 2 layers today. We got the crust right here at the top. You can label it if you want. So you have ocean, you have land, right? You can also color it if you want to, right? If you want to, not before you.
Okay.
Right? Then we're gonna divide it up even more. So underneath the ocean, you have oceanic crust. Yes, sir. What you need?
So how do scientists figure out what's in the earth though?
They use seismic waves to map it out. And I'll show y'all a video on how to do that later. A kid just actually did.
I'm gonna write out of it. Oh my, you can dig down there. You dig
Yeah.
down there.
Focus on what we're talking about now. The crust, yeah. So we're focused on the crust. So if I were y'all, if it's too small, I would write it on the like on the page in the middle, right? So because I know it's a lot. Yeah, that's fine. You can do it like that, right? And then you have the continental crust right here, right? Thumbs up once we have that written down.
Wait, where are we supposed to write?
So you're writing the ocean part right here at the top, and I'll come over here. And then you're writing the land part right here. So you can label this here. So you can write ocean, oceanic crust is right here, land, and continental crust. But if the stuff you're gonna write down, you might as well write it on the side of the notebook.
Megan says
Yeah.
you can answer on that part.
Yes, this part is massive. Yes,
Negative.
I got you.
It's okay.
So this one is the crust.
I know, but right there, just put mantle.
No, you don't have to.
I just read it.
I got you, guys. Here you go.
Oh.
Alicia.
Alicia.
All right, thumbs up once you have this written down. All right, so we can move on. Need y'all focus. Thank you, Delaney. Thank you, Brittany. Thank you, Carson. Thank you, True. Thank y'all guys. Thank you, thank you.
It's supposed to write here.
No, you can write it at the top. So we good, right? Can I move on? You can read it there too. It's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Cool. So, lot to write down. Not really, right? So, focus and listen. I'm gonna let y'all know what you need to write down. So we already have the bottom two, right? We already know there's two types of crust: oceanic crust, continental crust. We already know that the oceanic crust is mostly basalt, and then we know that the continental crust is mostly granite. But I would write down the thinnest layer of the earth that ranges from 2 miles in some areas of the ocean floor to 70 miles deep under mountains. That's the only bullet point you write down from this side. This is the top.
Write it right here.
No, you can write it in your notebook, because it's a lot. But if you want to, you can, you know. But I have to print out a bigger one for y'all. Only the first one. Because we already have these two in the chart we did yesterday, right? And there's going to be a question on the quiz I give you. And I remember this question because one of my kids 2 years ago, he got it wrong, and it was funny. To me, it was funny. What's so different about like a peach and avocado and like a hard-boiled egg?
Oh my gosh.
They all have different densities.
Well, that's true, but it's what's in them. Really, just a peach and an avocado. Alicia.
No, they have different seeds.
Yes, they have different seeds, but what's so different?
Avocado is a vegetable and the.
No. I'm losing.
I
Carson.
The difference between them is like some of them have nuts and some of them is just like from
A peach and avocado?
So think about the size of the seed,
No, I know.
right? What's up, man?
Why y'all keep looking at me? People?
You want this pencil? Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so peaches are more like dense and avocados are harder?
Okay, so now what we're talking about when I compare it to like the earth, right? So if I have an avocado, right, I have the skin, I have the middle, and I have what's in
Seed.
the seed, right?
They both have like big seeds though.
They have big seeds, so I can compare that to like the earth, right? So if I have the skin, what would the skin represent? The crust. And then the middle part can be the mantle and the outer core. And the seed could be what? The inner core, right? Yes. So what you'll see is, on the quiz, I'll give y'all next week. I need y'all to focus on me. Thank you. On the quiz, I'll give y'all next week, right? It's gonna ask you a question where it's like, if I have a peach and the skin of the peach represents what layer of the earth, what would it be? The crust, right? The crust. I had a kid choose inner core.
Go, is he stupid?
No, don't say that.
okay, that's me.
I'm sorry.
Wait, what?
So the question was, because you're gonna see it again. I'm gonna give you
You had
this.
last year kids?
No.
So
A few years ago.
Dang.
So he said the question is asking, what does the skin represent on a peach compared to like the layer of the earth, right? If I'm talking about the skin, right? What is that? Where's the skin at? It's the outside, right? It's the outside of the peach. He said it was an inner core.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny though. That's funny.
It's fun. It was funny to
It's
me,
kind of funny though.
but you
Because
know.
like, we had different thoughts.
So,
Because
but
we had to think about the house, we had to think about the earth.
not so high.
Oh,
But he did better on his test, though. He did better on his.
he said.
But if you give me 5 marks, let's focus, okay? So are we done with this thumbs up if we got this written out?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Wait,
Well,
do you know
actually,
why
yeah.
you chose intercourse?
He was being silly.
What? It's a test.
It's a test.
It's okay though. It was a quiz. And then on the test, he did it really good. Right? Gave him time to understand. Thumbs up once we got the first bullet point up. Right? Because we have the second and third one already, right?
Yeah.
So,
I don't like the third one.
hmm?
I don't like the third one.
I said you're only writing the first one. You do have the second and third one. You did the chart yesterday?
Which one? This one?
The only chart there.
Oh. I didn't really try yesterday.
I'll give you the chart.
What'd you do? Mysteries.
Alright, I need everybody to focus this month. So we're good? Can I move on?
Yeah. I told you back to it.
What? That's yours. I have another day.
Yours is about to
You were supposed to put in your notebook.
Yeah, I was on the
So, shh, thank you. The Earth's crust is like the skin of an apple. Why is the statement true? Think of another example. So, like the peach, who got one for me? Go ahead, Parson. Bless you.
Because you know how like the middle of the apple has the middle of the earth they have the inner core.
Okay,
Kind of like this.
go ahead.
Like another example is like a grape.
A grape?
A grape, they have like a bunch of seeds in the middle, but they're all like kind of like bunched up, which would make like the thing in the middle.
Okay,
would
so,
make it- I'm not done.
okay, go ahead.
Okay, it's fine.
Go ahead, Connor. Go ahead and finish.
And then like you have like it's easy to take off the
Skin?
yeah. It's easy.
I thought you were finished.
It's easy to take off the skin because like it's like easier because it's like softer on the inside. But on the inside of this does make it on the inside of the earth does make it denser when you go down. Okay.
Yeah.
It does.
Okay.
You done?
Yes.
Who got one? You got
I
one?
didn't get it.
Go ahead.
Probably like a cherry.
A cherry?
A
Always has seeds in it.
Okay, so let's not think about just the seed, let's think about the outside.
But yeah,
Bruh.
Yeah.
just imagine you kind of some allergies.
Yeah, you're peeling it, it's easy to peel, and then you.
Wait, no, like
And then
I
it
don't
goes.
know how to explain it.
Shh. Go
I
ahead.
don't know how to explain it. Like, you know the not the gooey stuff,
Like the inside.
but yeah, like the inside.
It's okay, I see what you're talking about. She's talking about like the inside of, you have the skin, and you got the inside of the cherry, and then in the middle you got the seed. I understand what you're saying, go ahead.
A mango or a kiwi?
A mango or a kiwi, that's good too, right? So think about the skin of an apple, why is it similar to the crust? Outside. Which y'all gave
Mango
me,
has a big seed.
it does. But y'all gave me all the good stuff, and I'll give it to you, not right now. Because we have to.
Wait,
It's one more, it's really quick.
Why y'all waiting for this?
A coconut, okay, coconut is good too.
Because they get denser.
like bread.
I think we get it, guys.
Wow. I'm thinking about bread.
All of that. For what?
Huh?
I was just thinking.
Alright, so we got 3 more things to write down. So with the mantle, you got lower mantle, middle mantle, and you have the upper mantle. So what's so important about the convection currents in the middle mantle, and we'll learn that in just a second, they kind of cause the tectonic plates to move, right? So we'll talk about this more in depth next week, right? So we got it to where, and I'll give you a little brief summary, you're a hotter, less dense fluids, and this, we have convection currents all the time. Like if you have a boiling pot, you see them, not really see them, but that's what's going on. In a room, if the air is blowing, you'll see that also. Or if heat is blowing. Your less dense, hotter the material will rise, and your cooler, more dense material goes. So it's a little confusing right now because I have to like actually show you, like draw it out for you, and I can explain it. But it's gonna be easier if I do, right? So if you want, you can write it down. But well, not if you want. It's already there, and it's there right here too. Yeah. Thank you. So you have mantle, a solid but capable of flowing like putty or fudge. You don't have to write this down. I would write down the last bullet point though, because you already have the first two. Thickest layer of the earth making up 70% of Earth's mass, right? Who wants to read that third bullet point for me? Higher.
The hot material lies in the which one is right?
Yeah.
Third one. Hot
I can't hear you.
Stop interrupting.
The hot material matter.
Let me read it yourself. What should you read?
I know she's good.
The last right.
Read it yourself.
What should you read? It's only one.
The last one.
The last one?
You finish that right now.
Yeah, but they kept interrupting.
No, I thought you did.
You cannot either.
Where Mr. Bazile go?
He yapping.
Where Mr. Bazile go?
He yapping.
We talking to my you.
You don't like to use arguments. What should you read?
Girl, I do.
That last
I just already said the minutes. No, I talked about the thing.
No, he said the bottom. The last.
Ooh.
Who marker? Doing it?
I said I am.
All right.
Which one do you write?
Just the last one. I would write the last one. And then let me get a thumbs up once we got the last one down, right? The first two, you already have it on the chart, right? Yes, sir. Good? Thank you. Thank you, Kay.
I don't have it on the chart. It becomes, it's blank.
What you mean?
It's blank.
Your chart is blank?
Uh-huh.
Where's your chart? That's not your chart. That's your folder.
The chart we did yesterday.
This is your chart.
What chart? Oh, the one yesterday.
This one you gotta glue your notebook. I see you got it. I'm gonna get you the chart and I'm gonna let you get it from
Excuse me. Anyone got the chart from yesterday? Help me out.
A chart.
The chart from yesterday. It goes
It's not
straight
reading
on
the
the.